Everything about the Unity Class C's exterior appearance is clean, stylish, and aerodynamic. From contoured walls to frameless windows to LED exterior lighting, the European design will turn heads wherever you go. The Unity makes driving easy and fun. Whether you're searching for the ideal camping spot or navigating urban centers, the Unity's size and turning radius will help you travel with confidence and put a smile on your face. The optional, integrated exterior table makes cooking and eating outdoors even more convenient. The all-new Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 3500 cab chassis provides unprecedented levels of luxury, comfort, and safety previously not available in a Class C motorhome. With its 3-liter V6 BlueTEC diesel engine under the hood, you'll enjoy a smooth yet powerful ride with class-leading fuel economy estimated. The Unity now comes standard with the all-new MBUX Multimedia System with a 10.25-inch touchscreen, heated and electric driver and passenger seats, traffic sign assist, attention assist, cruise control with Active Distance Assist Distronic, active brake assist, active lane keeping assist and more. As a standard feature, the Leisure Lounge system allows you to create a completely customizable living space. During the day, the sofa provides various seating options for dining and relaxing. At night, flip down the nearly king-size Murphy bed to take in the greatest feature of all, a completely customizable headrest for pondering the road ahead or watching a movie. All Unity models make it easy and convenient to take a rest during the day, all without having to extend the slide out. The beautiful, solid wood curved cabinetry found in the Unity is available in multiple finishes. Whether you choose the rich luster of cherry, espresso brown, or the contemporary European style of Sierra maple, our gorgeous curved wood cabinets offer seemingly infinite storage. Every Unity model features a full, 3-piece dry bathroom with a large stand-up shower. Can't agree on what to watch? No problem. You can each enjoy your own show with the optional second TV.